not. Oh, hello. Loading up time. It's about as full as it gets. Tried to make it balanced so we're not like riding on two wheels or wheeling or something.
What do you mean we haven't even broken out the roof straps yet?
Yeah, actually that's going to be pretty good if we don't even need to do a roof strap. That was quite a mission in Andorra.
Oh yeah?
The roof straps.
So sick.
Yeah, there was a lot of bags on a lot of roofs. That was pretty exciting actually. But no, this is good. All the bags in here.
Yeah.
One little space for Josh to sleep on the way there, and he's all good. Keep his back straight.
It's pretty tasty.
Where are we going?
Yeah, we're going from Myrkdalen. To Kläppen for Kimbo Sessions. Well, it'll be my last week of the season. I don't know what everyone else is doing, but stoked to be finished up with this. Sad a little bit, but stoked. Now go and enjoy a sick week. We're even getting like drip-fed images, you know, of how the park's shaping up over there. Getting well excited. Yeah, JC.
What do you think?
Of what?
Everything.
What's everything?
Wow,
Telepathy.
You look so young today.
You do look young today.
You don't, no one really realized that I shaved. E-Cook was the only one who realized that I kept the.
You shaved or something?
Besides my room.
I noticed.
It's the Kimbo mustache. Last year I had the Kimbo mustache. So this year I gotta have the Kimbo mustache.
Eddie has this.
Kimbo Sessions.
Pretty solid too.
We're in Sweden.
Kimbo, 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 Kimbo.
Oh shit.
James, get the fuck out of here! That was sick as fuck! Get that shot!
Look at Woods. Look at him. Look at that good lad. He's.
Oh god, okay, good luck. Seems like
Vilmer rotted.
Mr. Nasty. Nasty pasty.
What's up, bro?
Oh, you know, just waiting on Joss as per usual. How are you?
Good.
Mate, this is the bomb diggy. We're on the perfect sketch here.
Can you give me a little tour of our classic home abode?
Really? Should we do that? Mm-hmm. Well, this is where I've been falling asleep to the beautiful full moon over the greatest park that's ever been built. Mm-hmm. Like actually. Hey, Charlie.
Hey!
Final word on that. Best park that's ever been built.
Yeah.
You bag that.
Charlie, are you grating cheese over there?
Fight! And then where are you gonna go right after this?
Sticking with you, man.
We stay on the way. Where are you guys going?
Secret paradise. Well, actually, we're in secret. Why am I? Yeah.
It's a different paradise.
Let's go again.
It's a different paradise.
Joss, are you finally ready?
I'm ready.
Kitchen. Joss.
Why would you say finally?
Was that a hashtag diss?
Yes. We're in business, eh?
It looks like it.
I dig.
We're leaving now.
Oh, it's going bananas, man. It's going bananas. The lights bang on, and it's kind of slushy, but just getting quick, and there's transitions everywhere. I'm loving it. Everyone's loving it. What a group of people, man. Real deal. What a group of great people. This is really cool. You know? You know what I mean. That's what it's about. Ba-boom. Kimbo Sessions! Why do you make me say things?
Kimbo Sessions.
Oh, mate. I'm very happy. This is great. There's no words, bruv. But I will try. That's you! Can you see that? That's you, Mr. Naves! What a boss. Well, look at now I got a visual on myself and that's no good. That's no good at all.
Looking good.
That was a really fun day. Thank you.
And then after Kimbo Sessions, what are you going to be doing?
Oh, I'm gonna go see my little brother and my nephew and I cannot wait. I'm so excited, like that's special. Well, and then if the rumors are true, I'm gonna be doing a lot of surfing. We'll see. Ciao for now!
Bye.